Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Departure to Destiny. So today I'm going to announce you one good news that uh, I am changing my camera gear. Yes, so right now I'm shooting in a Nikon camera, Nikon LA20. So I have updated my camera gear to Canon 200D. I have brought that camera to enhance the quality of my video, the quality of my presentation so that you can enjoy more. So let's go and unbox it. I'll show you. Okay, so this is the Canon 200D. So I have already opened the box because I had to check this box in the shop. So let's open the box. So here I have already set up my camera with the straps. So I didn't brought the Canon kit lens, that is a 1855 kit lens, because my work is travel blogging, and that's why travel blogging will be good if I use a more wide angle lens. So I didn't brought the 1855 lens along with this body. I have only brought the body, and you can see this is the Canon 200D. Okay, it's written over here 200D. In this review I'll not go any technical aspect, because you know the technical, because you have read the Google why this 200D is best and why every blogger choose this Canon 200D. The only option is the Canon dual pixel autofocus, because the dual pixel autofocus is so excellent that it is a gem of focusing system if you are blogging. So, and also this is the articulating screen. When you are blogging, it is always better to see yourself, because it is better to frame your blog better. So you can flip out your screen. So now if you move, you can see yourself over here. So this is the camera body. Okay, so with this I have brought this 10 to 18 lens. This is Canon 10 to 18 lens. It is a very good lens, and I'll show you that how wide it is in 10 millimeter, because it is up to 18 millimeter. The kit lens starting from 18, but this lens is from 10 to 18 millimeter. Okay, you can see this. So this is a very good lens, the good glass. Okay, I have bought also one UV filter, because it is always good to keep a filter over here to protect the glass also. And this is beautiful. The only thing is it's a plastic mount, but there's no issue. You can use it, no problem. So let's connect this lens. So I'll show you how wide it is. Okay, so this is the Canon 10 by 18 lens. You could see this is the 18 millimeter setting, and if I go to the 10 millimeter setting, then you could see how wide it is. So let's go. Oh, it's too wide. Okay, it's beautiful for blogging. It's an excellent lens, excellent focal length to blog, because your viewer can see more thing around you. So great job, Canon. It's a great lens, I can say, from Canon for blogging. That's it. Okay, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video among your friends and families to make a judgment between 200D and 80D, because this 200D camera is best for bloggers, and the dual pixel autofocus and the articulating screen is much more required for blogging, so it is there. You could go for this, and you will get this camera half price of the 80D. So why shouldn't you go for this? So I hope this video will be helpful for you to make a judgment between 80D and 200D. And in my suggestion, if you take my suggestion, I'll definitely tell you go for 200D for especially blogging. Okay, so that's it for today. Be creative, be happy, and see you in next video.